Mark and what her name?
Jessica and Mark.
Oh, Jessica and Mark. Jessica. Kani kadai ka hospital jong ki sim ha ka ba ki sumar ya ki chat sim ba pher.
അങ്ങനത്തെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ആവശ്യമുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ
ഹസ്ബൻഡിന്റെ പേരേതാ?
അനു
അനു.
ഇത് നമ്മുടെ അതും തുറന്നു കാണിക്കുമ്പോൾ വീഡിയോ എടുക്കും.
What is this?
എക്സ്റേയുടെ എല്ലാം
X-ray.
X-ray.
Oh, for birds.
പറഞ്ഞോട്.
Oh, this is X-ray. Oh, and this one? Scanning.
Scanning machine.
Okay. Wow, scanning machine.
Yeah.
This one also.
പുള്ളിക്ക് രണ്ട് ചാനലുണ്ട്. Screen.
That is
Okay.
24 hours oxygen facility. That bit.
Okay.
24 മണിക്കൂർ
Oh, that one. Okay. This one?
അപ്പോൾ അതിലെ oxygen
Anesthesia. Okay. Okay.
ഇതിപ്പോ നമ്മുടെ കേരളത്തിൽ ആദ്യമായിട്ട് വരുന്നത്. ഇത് പണ്ട്
Okay. You will keep birds here and give anesthesia. Okay, they will sleep.
Fly.
Eh?
You will not fly.
Fry, they are frying something.
Đi là khẩn.
Yeah?
Doing that.
Tata, hi.
Oh, hi. Oh. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, hi. Why you do that? Ah, ha, ha, ha. Oh.
They are laughing.
Hi, hi. Hello.
It's not biting, no?
Maybe this season is breeding season.
Okay.
They are alerting.
See? Hello. 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 Yeah. Nice. Yeah, good. Correct. Yeah.
You take
Yeah.
time, they
Yeah.
are friendly.
Okay. Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Come. Oh, trying to close the door. Wow, very nice. Talking bird. Hello.
Why are you doing that?
Larky. I love you. Yes, I love you. Mark and what her name? Oh, Jessica and Mark. Jessica and Mark. Kissing again.